Hey, hi there, fellas. Hey, guys, tell me, would you guys would like to make more money? Would you guys would like to have the opportunity to make money? If you say yes to one of these questions, then welcome to this short video on which we're gonna speak about fight Corona and make money. Okay, fellas, first of all, I would like to say thank you for everybody that's watching this video. It just tells me that you guys are people who are willing to learn more about business and life. And not only that, you guys must be people who are willing to improve the quality of life of your wife and family, which is something very, very, very awesome. So keep up. Okay, fellas, fight Corona and make money. Okay, guys, first of all, let me tell you guys, how can I say? First of all, let me give you this quote. Let me give this quote very fast. Okay, success is when opportunity meets preparation. Okay? Done. Okay, yeah. Okay, fellas, brothers. Yeah? Okay, fellas. Listen very good. Brothers and sisters. Yeah. Okay, listen very good. Okay, right now you guys are seeing on television, there is a lot of these things that people are losing job. People are losing job, and how can I say? There is coronavirus out there, and a lot of people are losing jobs right now, and the stock market always is going down. You see that the stock market is always in red, and it's a very difficult time for everybody, but what you have to put in your mind, it is that this problem will pass, okay? This problem will pass, Do not put in your mind that this problem will, how can I say, last like 10 years or 11 years or something like this. No, it's not going to happen, because as you see on television, how can I say, many companies, many states, the American government, everybody is putting a lot of money, and putting a lot of money and effort in order to fight this virus and to find a vaccine. They are going to find it. They are going to find it. And it's not going to take like 10 years or even 5 years. They're going to come up with a vaccine, Now, if now, as I'm telling you this thing, I know that times are very difficult right now. What you can learn from this opportunity, it is that this is the time for you to prepare. You prepare. Do not think that every rich person is right there. How can I say? Just hiding and all afraid. No. They are not doing that. What they are doing, it is that they are preparing. Right now, they are saving money, a lot of money. They are saving and saving and saving. They are not spending money into things that are not important. So definitely do not go around spend money on things that are not important. This is not the time for you to buy those expensive watches. No. Those expensive shoes. No. Those expensive t-shirt, jackets, hats, all these kind of things. And to go eat in restaurant or whatever. Restaurants are closed. This is not the time. This is the time for you to save money. Save money, and take this time to study, to learn, to prepare, so that when opportunity comes in, you can make the best. You can make the best of it. Right now you're seeing the stock market is going down. Why do you see those things? It is because you have to understand the economy. How can I say runs through this theory of supply and demand, You gotta be able to understand all these kind of things, People, during good times, during any time, people, they have always the choice to buy what they need and what they want, What they need and what they want. So what it happens is that right now, people are just buying what they need and not what they want, For example, right now, as you have seen, before a few months ago, Mercedes and Lamborghinis, they were the nicest thing that you could see on television, isn't it? But right now, You saw that toilet paper became very famous. Toilet paper. Toilet paper and a lot of food supplies and all these kind of things. You see, in times of need, people they go after a particular thing. This is because people are made. Why this is happening? This is happening because people are making decisions based on fear. Based on fear. Yes, right now they have to buy only, and also because right now they have to buy only more things that they need instead of things that they want. This is why there is a lot of how can I say, and the economy is going very down, and that's why people are scared. And this is pretty normal. This is normal. But you cannot let yourself affect for this fear. You must take this opportunity to prepare, especially if you are on online business, especially if you are on affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or any kind of online business, or you want to start a business. This is your best time to prepare because, like I tell you, people are now spending money on the things that they need because there is a bad situation. This situation will pass. When this situation passes, people will start to buy the things that they want. They will start to do. Right now, you see also a lot of people, they are losing jobs. This means that a lot of people, they are going to start to look for jobs on online marketing. They are going to go there. They are going there right now, or they are going to start work there. Online marketing is going to explode. And then what you want to do, you want to be there in front, as how can I say, as a seller selling your products or coaching people on how to make money online. You want to be there when this crisis start to dissipate. Just remember my words. Internet marketing is going to explode. A lot of people are going to come inside of online marketing because a lot of people are losing the real jobs. They're gonna come here. They're gonna come to online marketing. This is your best time, the best time to take the best of this opportunity. Do not miss. Okay, do not miss. Take all the courses, take all the courses, start learning right now, start saving money because you're going to need this money in order to invest into your business and make more money, Don't be afraid of this crisis. It will pass. It will pass. You just need to be, how can I say, ready when it passes, Okay? Wash your hands every single day, and treat your neighbors very cool, Treat your neighbors very cool. Save money, save money, save money, save a lot of money, And some of you, for example, during this time, may not be able to get a job, Like, for example, how can I say, you guys going to be delayed, they're gonna throw you guys out of your job, If you really, how can I say, need money or you don't have any money, you are at risk of having money, then try to find one of those jobs that are in demand right now, like delivering, Start a deliver. Go. There are many restaurants or bars that they want people to deliver food. Go and do those kind of things. Protect yourself, and then go and do those kind of things so that you can get some money and then you save. Do not buy things that are not important, like expensive watches, expensive shoes. Don't buy those things. Okay. So my take is save money, save, and then start learning online. This is your best moment to start learning about online marketing, Start learning because later when this problem goes away, There will be a lot of demand on how to make money online, and then you do not want to miss that. Okay? Okay, buddy. Write your comments below and subscribe to my channel and check the link below so that you can have opportunity to check this online program that's going to teach you how to make money online in a very, very effective way. Check now, and by check the link below, you're going to have the opportunity to see this free ebook that's going to teach you how to deal with problems of life and business. Check now. You got it. Okay, get ready. Get ready, get ready, and get ready. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.